Are you new to YouTube and your channel is not getting enough amount of views and subscribers, and you're getting quite frustrated about this and you are wanting to leave and stop doing all of this? Then please don't stop. Please keep watching. This video is for you and I'm sure I will be able to help you out with this. Hi guys, this is your friend Ashwarya, and in this video I am going to talk about 6 mistakes that new YouTubers do, and they tend to not take certain things seriously and make all these kinds of mistakes, and I'm going to let you know that so that you don't do it and let your channel grow. Now coming to the first and foremost point, the first point has to be your video intro. Now what most people do is they tend to not give importance to the intro of the video, but this is not something that you should do. You should always provide a proper intro to your video to let your viewers know what exactly you want to convey through your video, right? The first 10 seconds of your video will determine whether a viewer will watch the full video or they will just leave the video and go. Okay, so pay attention to the intro of the video. Now what most people do is they tend to not give much importance to the intro and they go straight to the content. They move straight to the content. Now this is not something that I would recommend. I personally feel that providing an intro to your video is very crucial because that attracts viewers, and if you cannot properly introduce what you are actually trying to convey through your video, the people or the viewers will not be able to know, right? So please do keep in mind to provide a very proper intro to your video so that you don't lose your potential viewers. Now the second point has to be your content. Now the content that you are providing should be something that people are searching for, okay, something which is trending. Now if you are a small YouTuber and you are putting up a video on yourself, telling your story about your journey, which is very sweet and nice, but then you have to understand that when you're starting, people do not know you. Why will they want to know your story? Okay, this is harsh, but this is the truth. People don't know you. They really don't care about what you've been through. So first choose the content properly. Choose contents which are trending. Choose contents that people are searching for. Experiment, see other people's contents and analyze in which content you want to put up a video, right? And then choose effective content and put it in your video. Okay, so choosing a content is very important. Mostly people don't give good content because content is what people need when they come up into your channel and they will see your videos. What will they see if you do not have a proper content, right? You need to have a proper content. Content is the king. Now the third most important mistake that I see small YouTubers doing is they don't research on topics that they want to make videos on. They just blindly create a YouTube channel and just put up random videos each day or maybe within 2 hours and expect that they will have a huge amount of subscribers and millions and millions of views. That is not possible. Everything happens with time, with a sheer amount of hard work. People cannot become great YouTubers in a day. It takes lot of time and effort to go to that level. Okay, so don't just expect that. I would highly recommend you to go and research on topics which are trending. See in which niche or in which area you want to create your videos, and select that and make videos accordingly. Okay, so point number 5 is choosing a niche. I've told you earlier that choosing a niche is very, very important. You might have seen many YouTube channels, creating a particular, selecting a particular niche and posting videos related to that. Now that is very, very important. If one day you think you want to create a lifestyle blog on your video, vlog in your video, and the next day you think that you're going to teach something in your video, well, that is not something that I would recommend. Either do a channel on teaching videos, or do a channel on making lifestyle vlogs. Don't just mix it up, okay, because that tends to not gain traffic. People who are interested in teaching, or mostly students who are going to get benefited through your teaching, will tend to come in your channel and be disappointed. Oh my god, this person also makes a lifestyle vlog. Well, this is not something that we do, right? I have also been a student, and it would really disappoint me, to be honest. Now the 6th point is, I see most budding YouTubers actually, they don't schedule their post. I see most of the people, they think that if I post consistently for 10 days, each day one video, and then if I don't post anything for the next 20 days, I'm going to get huge amount of subscribers and millions of views. No, don't do that. You do not have to post very frequently. Schedule your time. Post once in a week, but you post it every week, okay? You understand what I'm telling you. Post once in a week, but post it every week. Try to post it every week, okay? In case you want to take a break, let your audience know that I'm taking a break for a week and I'll be back in the next week. That is a good way to communicate with your audience as well, when you have a good amount of viewers in your channel. And I've seen most people making this mistake of being frustrated by not getting enough amount of views and subscribers. I would tell you not to be frustrated. Just hold on and follow all these rules, and try to maintain these sequence that I have told you. And you will see that with your hard work and with your passion, if you have passion with that, you will be a successful YouTuber one day, okay? So don't be disheartened, don't be sad about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscriber button, hit the bell icon, and so that you get notified when I upload new videos in this channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me. I just hit 200 subscribers in my channel, so thank you for that. Thank you for all your love, and thank you for all your support. I want to grow with you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching.